Now, there's actually a bunch of websites with marketplaces online that give you access to essentially getting some of the money from the sales. Now, here's a list of some of these websites. They include digistore24.com, clickbank.com, and a couple others that I'm going to show you specifically within this video in just a moment when I show you an actual practical example of doing this. And I'm not just going to talk about this like a lot of other videos you may have seen do. I'm going to actually show you step by step how to do this. Now, here's how to actually do this. You go to a website like digistore24.com, you go to their marketplace tab right here, and then you click the category that relates most with the thing that you wrote down in step number 1. Then what you're going to want to do is look for a product that's charging at least $500. This is because if you take 50% of this product, then you're making $250. And if you get just one sale per day, that's way more than $100 per day with this lazy method. So then you simply sign up for the website, in this case, Digistore24, and then you just click promote next to the product that you'd like to promote. And then it'll give you this magic link right here, and I'll show you exactly what to do with this magic link.